What's up, boys? It's me again, Prop. It's been like over a month now since I've made a techie vlog. Sorry about that, I just wasn't too motivated to make any car videos, and also it was just horrible fucking weather, so I've been sitting inside the whole time. But there she is, man. It's still alive, the techie's still going. And today I'm on a mission, which is changing my filters. The intake filter and what was the other one called? Crankcase filter, there we go. All right, let's turn it on for the first time in 3 days. Wait, let's go. Boom, still runs, still runs. Plan for the day is go to Riga, get my filters, then go to my homie KB. But yeah, let me show you the filters real quick. Let's open up the goddamn, there, somewhere. This fucking shit, boom. Also, bro, fucking birds, man. Dude, birds are so fucking useless. They just shit on my car every single time I clean it. So, we're gonna replace this one right here and also this little one. So, yeah, those are the two things we're gonna replace. And also, I think I'll buy some kind of oil for the filters and also a cleaning kit for the future so I can just clean them out. I could also clean these ones out, but for the video I'll get new ones so it looks fresh. And also, like a month ago, or I guess a bit less than a month ago, I was doing a little bit of a research on my car. I was kind of interested which kind of model I have, because there are 5 types of Integras. Basically they start with like DC2 and DC4, and the most desirable ones are the DC2 ones. Those are the GSR and Type R series, and I found out that mine is the DC4. And those have 3 models, which is RS, LS, and GS, and also SE. And I have the SE model, and that is because I have the olive color interior. And SE models, those are the only ones that have this interior. But I wasn't 100% sure, but now I'm 100% sure because I found this shit out. Look. So my car is black, right? But the previous paint, the SE models originally come in green color. And here you can see the original green color. And now I 100% know that I have the SE model, which is one of the least desirable ones. But hey man, there's some modifications on this car, so it's still kind of fucking banging. So now we just turn on the lights. Now I'll put this shit on and we will go to the car wash to wash off the bird poop, because I hate driving a dirty car. And while I'm driving, I will show you footage from a few weeks ago where I was cleaning my car. Yo, what's up from the, I'm guessing, from past. Today is gonna be the day when I finally, properly clean my car. So look how dirty everything is, man. It's fucking disgusting. Look at all these sides here, man. Everything's gonna be clean. Fucking windows, man. Everything is just fucking chalked here, as you can see. So yeah, I'll just start with my fucking, I don't know what the fuck this shit was called. Yeah, basically blowing the dust. Okay, after a few hours I'm done cleaning the car. The insides are looking hella fresh. The panel is all cleaned. My girlfriend helped me clean that while I was cleaning the car from the outside. All the carpets are nice. Here are the seats when they're not pulled down, because I'm about to pull them down because I gotta put in the bike. There's a girlfriend that helped me. Unfortunately, again, I didn't have time to polish this shit, but next time I come here, I swear to God, dude, I have to fucking polish this motherfucker. And the next time I went to my mom's place, I actually did polish it. It was kind of rough because I had to do it with my hand because the polisher broke, but it still turned out kind of nice. It was very shiny and looked way better than it's ever been before. Else it always looks like shit after I clean it. There's like spots on the fucking car and shit, so it doesn't look as good. Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Alright, it's all done. Let's go to actually my mom's place, because she has some problems with her bike brakes, so I'll try to fix them somehow. And also I'll pick up my BMX tires, because I bought them like a fucking month ago now as well, and I never replaced them, so maybe I'll replace them today and maybe go to the skate park. But yeah, let's keep moving, I don't have time. So I made it to my mom's place, and yeah, her front brakes right here are a bit loose. So I'll just take this shit apart and, you know, pull it a bit, and then it's gonna work fine. Let's do it! Okay, I kind of fixed the brakes, but not really, so I think I'll just go, because I literally have 1 hour and 30 minutes till the store closes. I'm like 1 hour away from it. Kind of in a rush, so I'll probably come back here later and fix them properly, because, yeah, I'm just in a rush, and I don't want to be in a fucking rush, man. Okay, I'm finally here. As always, Riga traffic got me on my fucking toes, dude. I swear to God, that shit's way too stressful, man. I lost like 5 kilograms coming to here. Okay, boys, as you can see, I'm sweaty as fuck, but I just spent 60 euros on the intake filter, on the crank filter, the little one right here, and also the oil cleaning kit, man. So now I'm heading to my homie KB. I'll see you there. What's good? He's back. We already got the hatch, or whatever you call this shit, open. Hood. The hood. We get the filters right here, and we gonna take them off. Air filter? Yes, the intake filter and the crankcase filter. I looked it up. I did my research.
This is a valve cover, so it's a valve cover filter.
Valve cover filter. Yeah, but the one I got is called the crankcase.
So let's undo this.
Yeah, there we go.
Thing over here.
Very simple.
8 millimeter.
8 millimeter for the future reference.
And
bam!
It's
off.
deleted. Let's check the inside. Oh my god. Rusty. You see rust?
Yep.
This is what a Rhino engine breeds.
Now
a lot of rust.
What's inside there?
Some welds.
Oh. That's normal.
What do we need to do to install the new one?
Unpack the brand new one.
What's this?
That's the oil, and also for the future to clean them. It's a kit, a whole kit.
Why it's so big?
Big is good.
I think it's too big.
Is it though?
I think it is.
It doesn't look like it's too big. There's millimeters written somewhere. Oh yeah, there.
76, 89, 102.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we good, man. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
How much was it?
I paid 60 for everything. So this one, what?
60 euro down the drain, my friend. 60.
No, this is good shit, man.
This is nothing. This is.
It's good shit, man.
This is placebo effect that you will have. Performance increase.
Nah, you're just a hater, man.
It's just useless.
Okay, so we can leave it like this then.
Yeah.
I'll refund this shit.
Take out this light. Like the air comes in and goes into the engine. You need the cold air.
You have hot air intake, bro. There's so much hot air here. Just place the filter here, you know. That we are doing now, it's useless, my friend. You should delete your content and delete your channel and yeah.
Okay. Yo, we got a sticker.
This is plus 5 horsepower, so he's gaining some horsepower.
Wait, we gotta make a thumbnail, man. We gotta make a thumbnail. Whoa! What is this, my friend?
This is for this thingy, Rhino. You see?
Yeah, there's a little bit of damage. I see. Yeah.
Old filter.
So you made a little protection. Okay, our protection is on with a nice little zip tie. It's gonna protect the pipe.
It's ghetto, but that's how we do it.
That's how we do it until we're rich.
And we can pay somebody else to do our dirty work. So
Yeah. Now I can't even pay my friend for helping me.
I'm doing this for free.
Don't worry. I'll pay.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Why and how do you do this?
Yes, how do you spray your filter with oil? That's a cleaner. We need the oiler. That's the oil.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up.
We have lost our brain cells completely fixing this car. Last time when I was with KB on this channel, he got a brand new car that we haven't seen yet. It's his Mercedes. But yeah, anyways, if you want to check that out, you can check his channel. He made a whole video about this Mercedes and more. But yeah, I'm gonna spray this filter now evenly. Does it help that there's a lot of shit coming our way? And this is how you grease your motherfucking filter, man. So it's all greasy and shit. Okay guys, we have finished spraying this thing. I think it's gonna be fine.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine, I guess.
Yes.
We're gonna clean this excess off.
Yeah.
But yeah, I did. The camera was too close. But yeah, we did like we saw in the video, you know.
We watched the YouTube video
Yeah.
before this so we don't fuck something up, because
Yeah.
apparently this guy that has been a mechanic for 25 years doesn't know.
I don't do these dumb things, you know.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
just install OEM parts. We don't do this useless thing.
Yeah, he's 50 years old. He
Goddamn,
doesn't
shut
like
the hell
JDM
up.
cars.
Hey,
He hates everything about JDM and all the racing stuff and everything else.
They are so hella rusty and hard to work on.
Yep. So then, out of interest, I did a very simple Google search to look what is the easiest cars to work on, and here you can see a lot of Japanese cars. Hondas, Toyotas, Subarus, Nissans. KB. You seem like a little bit of a hater, bro.
Dude,
Yeah.
I spit on Japanese cars. They
Yeah.
make me sick.
Yeah, there we go.
Sick to my tummy.
So he's gonna be the villain of these series because he hates these cars.
Yeah.
And I'll just...
I like Korean cars, but Kia all the way.
Bruh.
Kia, the best cars, you know.
Yeah, I don't know about this guy, chat. And there he goes, the brand new filter. Right on top of the pipe. Like a glove, man, like a glove. That shit's perfect in here. Look, it's just touching the little tip of the wires. No, but yeah, I guess those are wires, right?
These?
Yeah.
Those are hard lines, bro.
Hard lines, what they do?
Those are for brakes.
Oh.
This is your ABS thingy dingy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. The more you know. This thing is basically installed.
Yep. Alright, let's do this. Wait, let me do this right.
You genius.
Yep, I know how these things work. Oh man, I feel like such a mechanic right now. Y'all seeing this shit? Y'all seeing this shit, YouTube? This is my baby steps of becoming the best, the biggest car YouTuber in Europe. We're changing the scene in Europe, not in US, because US is already filled with a lot of great people. How tight do you need this shit, by the way? Very tight?
No, not very tight. Let me check. Let me
Yeah,
check.
go check, because I like to tighten things that you you can't open them up anymore after. Is it too much?
It's good. It's good.
Okay.
It's good.
It's perfect. It's perfect. Let's go. The cold air intake filter has been installed. Boom. Boom.
These things are pissing me off, man.
It's massive. It's massive.
We need more.
More what?
More safety.
Oh, to yeah, so it doesn't like bounce around, because you can see it's kind of like wonky, man, wonky.
You see they're covered lines, but we still gonna protect them, you know?
Yeah.
First thing you do is
Yo,
you...
that's a coolant pipe. I've seen those before. Oh, the knife!
The knife is
The
back.
knife, it's back. We got another protection here to protect
Yeah.
the brake cables and
Not cables, but lines.
lines, man, lines. Now we're taking off this little
This
penis.
thingy. Dude, it's not a penis, man. It's not a penis. Grow up, kid.
No.
So yeah, we took this off.
Yeah, let's see, how does this one look? Is it fucked?
It's just hollow at the end. It's just hollow. It was always open. It was always open to the air. And look at this line.
Oh my
It's done.
fucking god.
It's done.
Good thing that I decided to buy new ones instead of just cleaning them and then finding this shit out and then be like, oh, now what? Boom, boom, boom. The brand new one.
Yeah, let's check it if it's going on.
Yeah, let's see.
Yep, it's going on.
Perfect.
This liquid, yeah.
Yeah, spray a bit of cum.
We need to be. We need to not talk about those kind of jokes, man.
We do.
We are much more wiser than
You are. I'm not. I'm a JDM car owner.
Oh yeah.
You are.
There's your vape, bro.
My vape. I don't have one.
My dad bought a vape. I'm so disappointed in him.
Oh no. Maybe I can even put it on with my own hands. That's even crazier, man.
So he needs to install it right there.
Like this, right?
Yep. Yeah.
It's on.
It's on.
It's gonna take 3 hours probably.
If you're feeling a bit resistance, then stop, yeah?
I guess you can check it out now.
Yeah, we'll
Kinda
check it
feeling
out.
some resistance now. Alright, so as you can see, we currently have the Teggy on the lift. In one of our previous videos, we already went over all the things that we need to change, but we're gonna go over them again and more precisely. And this right here is the start of the 1995 Turbo Teggy part list book. Every upcoming video, we're going to be fixing one of the parts listed in this book. And by the end of it, my car should be in absolute mint condition. So here's all the shit that I need to replace for now. Oil filter, left and right half-axis dust cover, both of my belts, front sway bar links, bushings for the stabilizer bar, rear tie rods, sway bar, rear stabilizer links, fuel filler neck, fuel lines, both front upper arms, oil change, exhaust manifold, spark plugs, pipe wrap, windshield washer, window moldings, spoiler painting, clutch, clean or replace the taillights, buy original metal shift knob, hatch, new tires, and replace the trunk poles because currently it's sitting on a piece of wood. Oh, and also welding all the rust holes and then somehow preventing future rust to take this car over. So yeah, that was the list, guys. That's I guess a lot of things, maybe not too many things. A lot of them are not too like important. That's it. I guess the next video that you'll see with the Teggy, we're potentially gonna do something with it. Finally, one of these things. But for today, we got
checking the oil now.
yeah. Oh yeah, it's checking the oil. But yeah, for now we get the filters installed. There we go, first fresh thing. Live oil check.
Modification.
Fuck off.
He has oil levels.
I have oil.
Yeah,
okay,
oil.
we're fine. Oil is good. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot the tires. Since I'm here, I'll change from these good looking but very bad and not too much grip tires to decent looking and very, very grippy tires for the park. This is very easy, but it's very fucking annoying to do. Okay, the front wheel is on. Let's put some air in it. Oh my god, bro. My tires are so light, like you can't imagine how heavy the old ones were. Let's put a bit more air in it. Do a little 5.5. Okay, now it should be good. First tire done. Looks nice and fresh and cool and fat. It's very fat, as you can see. Very fat. Old, new, actual old one. Kinda cool, man. Kinda cool, actually. I'm done, man. The new tires are on. Yeah, anyways, we're going home. Adios, everyone. See you next video. Bye-bye.
Good time. Yes. Evening, lunch, or...
Yeah, have a good life.
Have a good life. Have a good life.